Now that you have activated and configured your integrations, we can look at the embedded directory experience. This is the experience for your users inside your product. This is how your users will authorize access to their data. You can navigate there directly from the integrations page or by clicking Settings and Embedded Directory. Here you'll see a embedded directory widget that you can configure and then embed directly into your product. This is very simple to embed. There's one line of code that you can paste in your front end, or if you want a greater customization, you can call our API directly, or you would get a list of a JSON array of all the integration you activate on your account. It will include things like logo URL, so you can display it. And the most important, it will include the authorization URLs that you can ask your users to click on. For example, 15.5 will have a unique authorization URL. We handle this entire experience for you. Once they authorize your access, we will redirect back to you using the success URL, which you can place here. And we will append the connection ID, which will be created upon successful authorization. So for example, if they authorize, and by the way, you can test it right here in the embedded experience. So if they want to authorize 15.5, for example, this integration is API key based, right? So we will provide this landing page with instruction on where to retrieve the API key. Once your user provides the API key and click authorize, Unified.to will create a connection for you. And as you can see, instead of redirecting to our application, it will redirect to the success URL that you provided and will include the connection ID in the URL. You can take this connection ID and associate it with your user, with your account, whatever you want, and then use this connection to read and write data from 15.5. There's a lot of customization here, as you can see. You can explore it in this widget or read more on our API documentation page dedicated for embedded experience. We also have different libraries available, such as React, Vue, Angular, etc. Or, as I mentioned before, you can use API directly. This is the embedded experience for your customers, so please explore this and happy integrating.